Today I'm going to show you how to blur the background of a video in DaVinci Resolve. Start by going down to the Color tab. Now right-click on your clip and select Add Node. Then choose Add Serial. With this second node selected, go down and click on the window icon. From here, choose the Curve tool. Now start outlining your subject by clicking around it. Take your time and trace carefully, and make sure you connect back to your starting point to complete the selection. Once that's done, go over to the Tracker panel. Click Track Forward so DaVinci Resolve follows your subject across the clip. After tracking is complete, right-click on the node again and select Add Node, then Add Outside. Now select this outside node. Go to the Effects and drag Gaussian Blur onto this node. Increase the blur strength until the background looks smooth and separated from your subject. And that's how you create a clean background blur effect in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.